Welcome to the best picks. The best Instant Pot accessories is probably one of the most versatile kitchen tools you can own, and with the right add-ons, you can unlock its full potential for an even wider range of culinary creations. From steaming delicate vegetables to baking fluffy cakes and even making yogurt, these accessories are designed to enhance your cooking experience, save you time, and elevate your meals from everyday to extraordinary. If you're looking to get the most out of your Instant Pot, then you've come to the right place, as we're diving deep into the must-have gadgets that will transform your cooking game. Number 5. Instant Pot 6QT Stainless Steel Inner Cooking Pot. Introducing the premium quality stainless steel inner cooking pot for your Instant Pot. It's designed for durability and a superior cooking experience. This accessory is compatible with a wide range of 6-quart Instant Pot models, ensuring a perfect fit for your device. It's a verified accessory for your peace of mind. Crafted from durable, premium-grade 304 stainless steel with rolled edges, it features a tri-ply bottom for exceptionally even heating. It includes maximum fill line markings for safe pressure cooking. The mirror-polished cooking surface makes both cooking and cleaning effortless. Enjoy cooking without worry, as this pot resists stains and does not absorb food odors or flavors. It's ideal for meal prep and batch cooking. With a capacity to hold up to 6 portions, it's perfect for growing families, meal prepping, or batch cooking your favorite dishes. What we like? This is a durable, high-quality stainless steel inner pot. It features a tri-ply bottom for even heating and a polished surface for easy cleaning. If you're looking for a reliable replacement or an extra pot for meal prep, this is a great choice. What people say. This set comes with a springform pan, egg bites mold, silicone lid, and a steamer basket. The silicone lid fits perfectly on the 6-quart Instant Pot inner pot, making it easy to store leftovers. The egg bites mold is versatile and can be used for more than just eggs, like mini muffins or chocolates. Number 4. Sugaroom 100 PCS Pressure Cooker Accessories Set. Elevate your cooking experience with this comprehensive set of high-quality accessories. Designed to be compatible with your 6QT and 8QT pressure cooker, it's perfect for a wide range of culinary creations. Each piece is crafted from food-grade, durable materials, ensuring safety and longevity. They are easy to clean, dishwasher safe, and built to impress for years to come. This incredible 100-piece set includes everything from steamer baskets and a non-stick springform pan to an egg mold, racks, baking cups, and essential tools. It truly meets all your cooking and baking needs. Explore endless possibilities. Steam vegetables, bake cakes, cook eggs, make sous vide bites, and even reduce fat with these versatile tools. Handy magnetic cheat sheets are included to guide you. Save time and money by getting all your essential cooking and baking tools in one convenient package. This set is a welcome addition to any kitchen, making it a perfect gift for any occasion. We are confident in the quality of our products. If you encounter any issues, please contact us, and we will provide a satisfactory solution within 24 hours. Enjoy a risk-free purchase. What we like? This is an extensive 100-piece accessory set, offering incredible value. It includes steamer baskets, a springform pan, egg racks, and much more, covering almost all your cooking and baking needs. If you want to explore a wide range of recipes and maximize your pressure cooker's potential without buying individual items, this bundle is perfect for you. What people say. The silicone lids fit perfectly on the stainless steel bowls and the glass lids. The egg rack is a great addition and works well for steaming. The stackable design of the accessories is very convenient for storage. Number 3. L&M Stackable Stainless Steel Insert Pans for Instant Pot. Introducing our versatile stackable insert pans, designed to elevate your cooking experience. You can now prepare multiple dishes at once, making meal prep a breeze. These pans are perfect for pot-in-pot meals, allowing you to steam vegetables, rice, meat, and fish with ease. Reheat your food without losing its original flavor or nutrients, unlike using a microwave. Designed to fit 6-quart and 8-quart Instant Pot models and other multi-cookers. These single-size pans offer a perfect fit for your cooking needs. The included compact lid is designed with no holes, creating a perfect seal for steaming and reheating. Enjoy your food cooked to perfection every time. Crafted from durable, high-quality food-grade stainless steel, these pans ensure your health and the quality of your meals are never compromised. They are built to last. Enjoy the convenience of dishwasher-safe cleaning. By choosing these reusable pans, you're making a sustainable choice for your kitchen and the environment. What we like. These are stackable stainless steel insert pans, ideal for cooking multiple dishes at once. They are perfect for pot-in-pot meals and reheating food without losing flavor. If you often cook for a family or want to streamline your meal preparation by cooking different components simultaneously, these inserts are a game changer. What people say. The silicone lids fit perfectly on the stainless steel bowls, creating an airtight seal. The stackable design of the bowls saves a lot of space in my cabinets. The steam rack is sturdy and holds food well above the water during cooking. Number 2. Instant Pot 6QT Ceramic Inner Pot. Introducing the Instant Pot 6-quart Ceramic Inner Pot. Its non-stick interior makes cooking and cleanup a breeze, perfect for any meal. Designed for most 6-quart Instant Pots, this pot features an aluminum exterior for quick and efficient heating. You'll achieve perfect results every time. Enjoy meals without worry. The ceramic-coated interior resists stains and won't absorb unwanted food odors or flavors, keeping your food tasting fresh. With a capacity for up to 6 portions, it's ideal for busy families, meal prepping, or batch cooking. Save time and enjoy delicious homemade meals. Embossed fill lines ensure safe and easy pressure cooking. Plus, it's completely dishwasher safe for ultimate convenience. Please note that this inner pot is not compatible with specific models like the Duo SV, Pro Series, Duo Evo Plus, and Duo Crisp Plus air fryer. What we like. This is a ceramic inner pot with a non-stick coating for effortless cooking and cleaning. It's designed for fast, efficient heating. If you find yourself struggling with food sticking to your current pot or want a quicker, easier cleanup after cooking, this non-stick option is the one to consider. What people say. The lid fits perfectly on the Instant Pot. The silicone lids are a great alternative to plastic wrap and are easy to clean. The steam rack is sturdy and holds food well. Number 1. Instant Pot 6QT Tempered Glass Lid. Introducing the perfect accessory for your 6-quart multi-cooker. This lid offers a clear view of your food as it cooks, making meal preparation a breeze. Crafted with a sturdy stainless steel rim and handle, this lid is built to last. It's oven-safe up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit, providing versatility for all your cooking needs. This genuine accessory is specifically designed for all 6-quart Instant Pot models. It's a verified accessory, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. The integrated steam vent helps regulate pressure and ensures your food cooks perfectly every time. It's ideal for slow cooking, sautéing, and browning. Cleanup is a snap with this dishwasher-safe lid. Made from high-quality, durable materials, it's an essential and long-lasting addition to any kitchen. The tempered glass construction allows you to monitor your cooking without lifting the lid, saving heat and energy. It's a safe and convenient way to keep an eye on your meals. What we like. This is a tempered glass lid that allows you to easily monitor your cooking. It features a steam vent and a stainless steel rim and handle, and it's oven safe. If you often use your Instant Pot for functions like sautéing, slow cooking, or browning, and you prefer to see your food without lifting the lid, this accessory is a must-have. What people say. This set has a good variety of accessories for the Instant Pot. The silicone lid is great for storing leftovers directly in the pot. The Egg Bites mold works perfectly and is easy to clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.